If you were given the choice between £52,000 tax-free cash or this urban wide track Defender 90, what would you take? We're about to meet Andrew, who's won this very car, all that cash, for just 12 pence.
Oh,
Gone after
wow.
you, Jackie. Thank you.
My God.
Better in the flesh?
Yeah, I mean, the pictures, it looks fantastic in the pictures, but in the flesh, it is something else. Did you have the road swept on the way? Because I don't want to get it dirty. I love the urban treatment. Yeah, I looked into that. Obviously been doing a lot of research since I got the news, and well, it really is a special edition, isn't it?
Yeah.
I kind of want to stand with my mouth open for a while, but that's not good for video. This one is mine, isn't it?
100%. You can touch it, you can get in it. You got the keys in your hand?
Actually, nobody can touch it. Oh, it's saying good morning, Mike, so I might go for a name change.
Do it. You told anyone?
Oh, everyone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do they believe it?
No. And everybody wants to see photographs and video, full enough, and so on. So I don't know whether they need evidence or evidence that I haven't stolen it or something.
Suffice to say, you're not taking the cash, are you?
Hell no.
Oh, I love it.
I have got my dream car because I love my pickup, even though it's an old dear, a bit like me. But I've always thought that at some point I've got to do something about it. And the only car, funnily enough, and I'm not just saying this, that I thought about that is not a pickup, that I would even entertain, is a Defender.
I do love it, like so bad.
Wow.
I'm so
How could you
envious.
not? How could you not? I never imagined that I could possibly win anything, let alone a car like this, something so special. So I'm staggered. I mean, this has got to be one of the most aspirational cars available, and to me, it's just perfect. What first attracted me to Dream Car actually was that the odds are really, actually, for a competition of the size, the odds are really good. Actually, I'd won some Dream Points a couple of weeks before, so I was able to boost my tickets up to 100 tickets. 100 tickets was a 1 in 9,000 chance of winning. So those are really good odds. I'd say to those people that have any doubt, just look at the odds. You know, compared to other competitions, it's far, far more achievable. Look, I'm evidence that it's achievable. My biggest concern now is, how am I going to get it under the Christmas tree?
Thank you, Dream Car.